How to get back archived posts on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back archived posts on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to make sure is to see if our Instagram is up to date. So to do that, let's visit our App Store or our Play Store right here and just search for Instagram. Click on Instagram. Now, if it says update right here, as you can see, just click on that because that means that your Instagram application is currently outdated. So when you click on update, that will update the app and you will have the latest features as well as the latest bug fixes. However, if it says open right here, that means that your Instagram application is currently up to date and you're good to go. Assuming that I am now done updating my Instagram application, I'm just going to head on and open Instagram right here. And from your home page or from any other page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. So to do the steps, you should be at your profile page. So once you're currently at the profile page, you just want to click on this 3-bar line icon at the top right corner and click on archive. So this is where you can see all your archived posts as well as stories that you have archived, as well as the live videos that you have archived when you went live beforehand. So what you're going to do is to click on this drop down menu right here that has the arrow down button, and you will see 3 options. As you can see, just click on posts archive and this will show all the posts that you have archived before. So I'm just going to click on a specific post. I want to get back to my profile. So once you have selected that photo, just click on this 3-dotted button at the top right part of the picture and just click on show on profile. And when we visit our profile, as you can see, we can now see that photo that we have gotten back from the archive posts folder. That is how you can basically get back archived posts on Instagram. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.